Hi guys, welcome back to Rkvisuals, and today I'll be teaching us how to use PixelLab. We'll be learning how to create graphics on PixelLab. We're going to be creating a motivational flyer and explaining the step-by-step ways of flyer design on PixelLab. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Let's get started. So the first step is to open the PixelLab on your phone. So when you open, it's going to show like this way. So here's the text that you're going to meet on the app. So you can edit the text by pressing the icon, text, current, text sticker. Then you can save it here, save as project, save as image. There are the backgrounds that you can try out. They're already on the app. So we have different backgrounds that you can try out over here. So you can edit the text here. So you can edit there. So we're going to go straight into the motivational flyer design. So we're going to delete these texts that are on the background. I'm going to delete them and that as well. So we're going to bring in our background. So we're going to click on this. This is our background over here. Select a size for it. Then we're going to click on this dot. The image size. There are lots of sizes here, but we're choosing square size for the flyer. So that's we're clicking on a new text now, bringing in a shape. But I'm going to leave the text there for a reason. So we're bringing in a new shape here. I'm going to make sure it's at the center, moving the shape, making sure it's at the right place at the center. I want it to fit the background, not entirely cover the background. I'm going to make sure it fits the background. So you can come here to centralize it, make sure it is well placed. So you can click on that icon that I clicked on. So I think it's better this way. So you're going to bring that text to the front and you're going to click to front. You can take it to back over there. So I'm bringing it to the front. So we're going to edit it now. Typing on be creative. That's what we want to write. Be creative. Be creative. So okay. So we're going to go to sizes to increase the size. So you can increase the size or you can just use your hand. And the color black. We need color black. We want to change the color for creative, so that's why I did it that way. You select the color from the background this way. You can do it this way, selecting the color from the background. Yes. So you can see it's only creative that is having a different color. So two of them are having different colors. We're going to change the color of the shape as well. So the color, you can select the color here, or you can just select the color from the background as well. You pick the color you want from the background. And okay, then you see it has changed. So then we get the font for the text. So you need a font that is very bold, that stand out, so people will be able to get the message. So for this font, I'm going to use this particular font because it stands out very well. Let's use this font. I'm going to reduce the size and place it. I'm going to place it there. I'm going to lock the shapes. So this way this is how you to lock a text or a shape. So stop it from moving about. So create a new text. For the subtext, I'll be under the creative. Yeah, I'm going to type start small, start small, design bold. So that's going to be the subtext. Then we go to the color. Select color black here. So yeah, I'm not going to use any font. I'm sticking to this font, but then I'm going to go to this side, turn it to italics form. So yeah, you can select a particular side you want, whether you want that side bold, you want it on the line, you want to remove it totally. You can just pick a particular side, bold it or underline it. So yeah, we just want everything to be in italics form. So that's what we did. Yeah. So you can go back to the size. reduce the size to the size that you want. So yeah, I'm just going to reduce the size and place it on that creative like that. So I want to be sure. So this is where you click on where you want your to make sure your text are well aligned. Click on that side. So you can move the text to make sure they are on the same line. Come up to text, go to position, move the text. You can use your hand to move it about or you go to position either way. So this is can increase the speed, can use increase the pace, sorry. Whether you want it to be fast or slow. So increase the pace like that. So we move the start small design board so as well. Move it as well. I think it's okay. So that's that. We're going to move it again. So now we're going to go to the line spacing. You will notice that the lines between the B and the creative is much. We're going to reduce the size, the distance between the two. Yes, looks better this way. So I'm going to move the start small design board as well to make sure they are properly aligned. Yes. So that's that. It's creating a new text for the other text that'll be on the flyer. Now we're going to type this man KD. Going to the color black. And go to the font. I think I used, so you can come to recent, just check the recent fonts that you have used instead of just checking for fonts. So I use this font. I'm going to check the size, reduce the size, reduce the size. And we copy, click on copy to duplicate it, click on copy again to duplicate it. We are going to edit this to the phone number. Yes, so in that way. So we're going to import some elements from my gallery. So we have the Facebook icon. So I'm doing it this way because I screenshot the icon. It's supposed to be transparent. So where I click on this circle to bring it out, cut it out. So I'm going to bring it out like this. So if you want to practice it, this is how you're going to do it. You click on that circle at the left side, sorry. Then you bring it out like this. I don't know why it's giving me a hard time like this, but this is how I'm going to do it. So let me do it again. So like this, you're going to move the circle to cut it out. You can use it this way. So we go to erase background. Want to remove the background, the white background, yes. Then we go to color, change the color to black, change colors, then you reduce the size using that, or you can go to relative size to reduce the size as well. So then we move it, making sure they are at the same size. So we move it, it's like that. Yes. we're going to relative size. So this is relative size. You can increase the size, or you can just use that side to increase and reduce the size. So I need to move this down in front of the Facebook icon. Need to move it down. We are moving to make sure everything is on the same line. That's why we did this. Yes. So moving it again to make sure that I'm trying to make sure the size is not too big. The size of the icon is not too big. So yeah, I think it's okay this way. So I'm moving the name close to it. So yeah, I figured out one of the names is missing. So this is me looking for it at this side and increasing the size. Yes, it was reduced while I was editing. So you can always go to that side to check for your designs at this place. So we are importing another icon, that's the Instagram icon from the gallery. Import. So Instagram icon, we are clicking on the left side, the circle side, cutting the Instagram icon out. Yes, like that. So I think it is. Yes, came out nice. We're going to erase the background like that. Then we go to color and change the color to black. Reduce the size. I use here. Reduce the size. Then we move it down. Move it down. You can increase the pace you want. Reduce it down. Move it down. Move it down. Now we're going to move the name as well. Like that. So let's move the name, the icon to be. So I just basically moving the names and the icons closer to each other so they will look uniform. Now I'm going to import the last icon, that's WhatsApp icon. So I'm going to go through my gallery to look for the icon now. So I'm almost, I think I've gotten to the side where there, yes, that's the icon. So I'm going to, it's already transparent, so I don't need to cut it out. So I'm going to remove the background, then go to color, turn it to black, like this, black like this, then reduce the size, and put it in front of the number. I'm going to move wherever, so I increase the pace to make it faster. So this, yes, like that. Like this, moving it closer to the number. Yes. Moving the number as well now to make sure they are, yes, I think it's better that way. So I'm going to import my logo from my gallery. So now bringing that out as well. So I'm going to remove the background, moving the white background, then reduce the size, reduce the size, use the size, reduce the size. I'm moving it. We want to make sure they are well aligned together. Yes. Yes, I think it's better that way. So I have to reduce the size. It's coming out too much. So I'm going to reduce the size, and yes, so that's how to create a fly on PixelLab. So whenever you finish design, you have to make sure that there is no mistake on your side. You have to cross check. So now we can save as project. In case we want to come back to the fly, maybe we want to edit it. So I'm going to save it as Be Creative. Be Creative. Yes, click on done. Okay, so it has saved. So if you want to, okay, click on OK. Now if you want to save on your gallery, you can just come back again and click on save as gallery, save as image, save. Make sure you click on ultra when saving, then you can save to gallery like that. So you can click on this side to check if it has, oh, it didn't save, so we're going to have to like resave it again. I'm going to use a different name. Let me see. So I'm going to click on it again, save as project. I'm going to use let me use creative done. So I'm going to save it again. So let's check if it's saved this time. Yes. So this is it. It has already saved. So whenever you want to, you can always come back to edit it again. So here's the flyer, guys. I really hope you are able to learn one or two things on how to use PixelLab in designing your flyer on your phone. So if you have any question or you need any clarification on anything in designing flyer on PixelLab, make sure you drop a comment. See you guys in my next video. Thank you.